updates coming in. Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu has advised the airlines to control the airfare during the festive season and not misuse their position, as people tend to travel more during the festival to meet their loved ones. So Aviation Minister has spoken up on the rising airfare and has said that the airlines are advised to control the prices. So this comes as a big relief to people who have to travel to other areas. Remember, especially during the festive season, because of the high demand, the prices of the airfare also goes up. But the aviation minister has now spoken up, but he has said that he has advised the airlines to control the airfare during the festive season and not misuse their position, because people want to travel more during the festivals to meet their loved ones. Is it going to have an impact or not? That remains to be seen. Remember, the aviation minister had also previously spoken about the rising airfares. He had spoken about keeping it competitive. But now, especially due to the festive season coming up, he has advised the airlines to ensure that the prices remain competitive and they remain affordable. And airlines have been advised not to suddenly hike it up. My colleague Nikhil is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Nikhil, for everyone traveling, in fact, this is one of the biggest setbacks or the biggest pain, the airfare suddenly going up. And now the aviation minister has issued an advice to the airlines. What does this mean for the people? Okay, we seem to be facing technical difficulties. We'll go back to that. But remember, the prices usually go up around the festival season, and the aviation minister has taken note of that. There are several people who continue speaking about it on social media as well. There's been outrage over the same, over the fact that prices see a sudden boost during the festive season. Now, the aviation minister has taken note of that. He has seen that the airfare prices go up suddenly. In fact, Nikhil joins us live on the broadcast now. Nikhil, the statement that has come in from the aviation minister comes as a relief to many, but does this mean that the airlines will no longer suddenly hike prices?
Well, a while back, Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu, he was speaking at a major event in the capital city, wherein he has informed that usually during this time of the year, when the festive season begins, we see an upsurge in the airfare prices. But this time around, he has given clear-cut directions to all the airlines that they should not misuse about the situation, because there are many of the people who usually go towards their hometowns or to visit their loved ones during the time of the festive season. So he has asked all the major domestic stakeholders to not to increase major as far as the airfare prices are concerned. So he has clearly given a call to them, and also this is something which has been given internal in the ministry as well, that they have to keep a check on the overall airfare prices. Although he has also said at the same time that aviation is one such sector which is market driven. So beyond a particular point, even the ministry has no major say as far as the overall working of the airlines are concerned. But clearly this is a major step and a major statement which has come out from Ram Mohan Naidu, wherein he has informed that just ahead of the festive season, he has informed all those airlines to keep a check on the airfare prices.
Okay, all right. Thank you for joining us. Let's play out that reaction that came in from the aviation minister.
हम ज़रूर एयरलाइंस वालों से बात कर रहे हैं, तो हमें वो सेंसिटिविटी को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं कि इस तरह के समय सब लोग अपने घर जाना चाहते हैं, सब लोग अच्छे तरीके से त्यौहार बनाना चाहते हैं। तो हमने या वेस्ट बंगाल हो या केरला हो, कहीं और भी कोई भी त्यौहार हो, हम लोगों की यही कोशिश रही है कि हम एयरलाइन वालों से बात करें, उनको ये सिचुएशन समझाएं कि इसका दुरुपयोग ना करें, अच्छी तरह से वो प्राइसेस सीमित रखकर उनको भी वो सुविधा दें। तो हम अपनी तरफ से जो चीजें करनी चाहिए वो सब करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं।
Well, that's some relief for the passengers. On that note, we're slipping into a very quick break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.